You know, most people think that manifestation is about repeating affirmations, visualizing harder, or asking the universe over and over again. But the truth is, the second that you ask for what you want, it's already done. And what you do next either brings it in or delays it. Today, I'm going to break down exactly why your manifestation might be stuck and how to shift into receiving mode right now without doing any more. So let's start with something that changed my life. You know, you don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you're a match for emotionally and energetically. So the moment that you get crystal clear on your desire, whether that's £10,000 plus months, more freedom, you know, a luxury car, or even a soulmate, it's already done in the spiritual realm. But here's where most people go wrong. They keep visualizing like the universe doesn't hear them the first time. They chase it emotionally, which is creating lack, and they hope it shows up, but their vibration is still in waiting, not receiving. And the law does not respond to your words, the law responds to your frequency. So if your dominating vibrations are doubt, worry, waiting, or frustration, that's the signal that you're sending out to the universe. And that's exactly what you're going to continue to attract. Delay, resistance, and stuckness. I'll be completely transparent with you. You know, this shift did not come easily for me. I used to sit in my room repeating affirmations over and over again, just worrying about when this money's going to land in my account. And I would literally sit on my online banking, constantly checking if money's coming in. And guess what? Absolutely nothing changed. Because even though I was doing the work, my subconscious mind was still saying, it's not here yet. I need to do more. I don't feel safe. It wasn't until I made this shift, and I want you to write this down right now. If it's already done, how would I feel today? I started showing up as if the money was already in my account. I walked differently. I started to speak with more certainty. I stopped chasing, I started receiving, and I also started giving thanks in advance. And within a matter of weeks, my income literally jumped. Not by more hustle, but by becoming a vibrational match for what I already asked for. So let me break this down into something that you can apply right now. There's 3 phases between collapsing the time between asking and receiving. Phase 1 is where you ask. So you want to get really clear on what it is that you want, and then you want to declare it. You want to ask for it. And when you ask, you really want to feel it in your body and in your spirit. And then once you've asked once, you're done. Stop asking, stop tweaking, and stop doubting. Step 2 is you've got to believe that it's done. And this is where most people fall short. You know, this is where most people collapse and delay the manifestation. So believing it's done doesn't mean that you force yourself to believe on a surface level. It means that you stop talking about someday and start acting like you've already received it now. It means that you've got to start trusting your inner GPS even if there's no physical proof yet. And it also means that you've got to start embodying that future version of you. And this is where faith, assumption, and emotional regulation come into play. And step 3 is you've got to feel really good now. And in my opinion, this is the most misunderstood part of the process. Feeling good isn't optional. It's the receiving frequency. Now, that doesn't mean that you need to fake being happy 24/7. It means that you prioritize anything that keeps your emotional state elevated. So I'll list a few things: gratitude, movement, music, nature, going for massages, having some self-care time, having conversations about goals, about your future, high vibrational conversations, and creating content from a place of already having and not from lack. So understand this: when you feel good, you're not trying to make things happen. You're in a state of having. And when you're in the vibration of already having it, that's when it's going to land. Let me call out 3 common things that are keeping most people stuck. Number 1 is they're checking their bank account daily. This reactivates lack instead of visualizing your bank account full. Number 2 is comparing yourself to others. When you compare yourself to others, that's a frequency of envy, not abundance. I would change my whole mindset around that, and I would change the story that I'm telling myself. And I would flip it to, if they have it, that means that I'm next. And step 3 is overcomplicating the process. Simplicity is power. You've asked for it, it's done. Now you feel good, and that's it. So here's what I want you to take away with you today. If you've asked for it, it's done. Stop checking, stop doubting, and stop asking again. Your only job now is to trust it's on its way, show up as if it's already yours, and make feeling good your dominant state. Because when you feel good, you're not hoping anymore, you're receiving. And if you want to go deeper into this work, I created a free blueprint called the £10,000 plus month Breakthrough Blueprint. It breaks down exactly how to reprogram your subconscious mind to match the version of you that lives in overflow. Grab it now. The link is in the pinned comment. And if this has helped you, then let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. What's one desire that you've asked for that you're now ready to receive? Let's bring it in together. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe.